Mastering HTML Attributes, a comprehensive tutorial. Welcome to ABM Edutech, your one-stop destination for mastering technology and building a brighter future. In today's tutorial, we'll focus on a fundamental topic in web development, HTML attributes. These building blocks will help you create dynamic, functional, and user-friendly web pages. In this video, we'll break down HTML attributes into 4 key categories: general attributes, core attributes, internationalization attributes, and generic attributes. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer looking to refresh your knowledge, this guide is packed with everything you need to get started. Let's dive in. Attributes in HTML are essential for adding extra information about elements. They help define how elements behave or appear on a web page. You can think of attributes as providing detailed instructions for browsers to follow. An attribute always consists of 2 parts, a name and a value. This pair is placed inside the opening tag of an element. Here, ref is the attribute name and https://www.example.com is its value. Together, they define where the link points. Simple, right? Now, let's move deeper. Now, let's explore the 4 main types of HTML attributes. Core attributes are the backbone of creating adaptable and functional web pages. These are general-purpose attributes that can be applied to almost all HTML elements, making them incredibly versatile. Let's break them down further. ID. This attribute assigns a unique identifier to an element. It's useful for targeting specific elements in CSS or JavaScript. For instance, div ID is equal to header identifies the header section uniquely. CL as the class attribute allows you to group similar elements together for styling or scripting purposes. For example, p class is equal to highlight assigns the element to the highlight group, making it easy to apply consistent styling. St while this attribute enables the application of inline CSS directly to an element. While external CSS files are preferred for maintainability, the style attribute is handy for quick and specific style changes. Title. The title attribute provides additional information about the element, displayed as a tooltip when the user hovers over it. Core attributes form the toolkit for improving both functionality and readability in your web applications. These attributes are beginner-friendly and ideal for becoming comfortable with the HTML attributes syntax. In today's interconnected world, catering to users who speak different languages and follow diverse cultural conventions is essential. HTML provides internationalization attributes to make websites more accessible and adaptable. These attributes ensure content can be correctly presented in multilingual environments. Here are the key attributes. Lang specifies the language used within an element. This attribute is also vital for search engines and screen readers to detect the language. Dir defines text direction, accommodating languages read right to left, like Arabic or Hebrew. XML, lang, used in XML documents to specify the language of an element. While it's not common in everyday HTML usage, understanding this attribute prepares you for working with advanced elements or hybrid languages. The first paragraph specifies English with left-to-right text direction. The second paragraph defines Arabic with right-to-left direction. These attributes ensure your website is accessible to a global audience. These attributes enhance inclusivity and usability for global audiences, making them indispensable for modern web development. Generic attributes are designed to provide specialized functionality for particular HTML elements. While not universally applicable, they play a crucial role in refining user experience and website behavior. Let's explore some popular examples. Alt, used with the ink tag, it specifies alternative text for images. This is critical for accessibility as screen readers use the Alt attribute to describe images to visually impaired users. Additionally, the Alt text is displayed when an image fails to load. Placeholder provides a temporary hint or placeholder text inside input fields, guiding users on what to do. For example, input type is equal to text, placeholder is equal to enter your name. It enhances user interaction by offering visual instructions. Autocomplete enables browsers to remember and suggest previously entered information in input fields. For instance, input type is equal to email, autocomplete is equal to on makes filling forms faster. Hidden hides an element from the user's view while keeping it in the HTML code. This is useful for storing data or controlling layout without displaying specific content. Example, div hidden this is not visible to users. Div. Even though generic attributes address niche requirements, mastering them makes your HTML code more flexible and user-focused. As we've seen, HTML attributes allow you to go beyond basic tags, giving you the tools to build highly functional and user-friendly websites. They provide additional layers of meaning, behavior, and design to your web elements. By integrating core, internationalization, and generic attributes into your code, you can make web pages more accessible for users with disabilities. Improve performance and clarity through efficient coding practices. Gaining a solid foundation in HTML attributes not only enhances the quality of your own projects but also prepares you for working on professional web development teams. To summarize, attributes are the unsung heroes of HTML. They may seem small, but they have a huge impact on the structure, functionality, and user experience of your website. We've covered general attributes, core attributes like ID and class, internationalization attributes like lang and dir, and specialized generic attributes like alt and placeholder. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. If you found this session helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ABM Edutech. For more detailed tutorials and resources, visit our website or connect with us on social media. Let's continue learning and building together.